Today we're exploring the design, performance, and features of the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 iGen to see who it's really for. This high-end gaming laptop is designed to deliver top-notch visuals, fast performance, and impressive build quality. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 iGen boasts a powerful Intel Ultra 9275HX processor with 24 cores and 36 threads, offering exceptional multitasking capabilities and smooth gaming experiences. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card, this laptop is equipped to handle demanding games and applications at high frame rates. The laptop's display is another standout feature, boasting a WQXGA OLED panel with 500 nits of brightness, 100% DCI, P3 color gamut, and a 240 Hz refresh rate. This combination provides stunning visuals, vibrant colors, and fast motion rendering. Additionally, the display HDR True Black 1000 and Dolby Vision support ensure an immersive viewing experience. In terms of design and build quality, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 iGen has a sturdy aluminum chassis with a matte finish, providing a premium feel without being too showy. The keyboard and touchpad are also well designed, offering tactile feedback and precise cursor control. However, some users may find the laptop's overall size and weight to be slightly bulky. When it comes to performance, this laptop delivers impressive results in both gaming and everyday use. The processor and graphics card work seamlessly together, providing fast load times, responsive gameplay, and smooth multitasking. In real-world scenarios, we've noticed minimal lag or stuttering, even during demanding tasks like video editing and 3D modeling. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 iGen also features a range of connectivity options, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an SD card slot. Additionally, the laptop has 2 speakers with Dolby Atmos support, providing decent audio quality for gaming and general use. One area where this laptop falls short is in terms of battery life. With a relatively large 2TB SSD and powerful hardware components, we found that the battery can drain quickly during extended usage. However, Lenovo's power-saving features help mitigate this issue to some extent. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 iGen is an excellent choice for serious gamers, content creators, and professionals who require fast performance and impressive visuals. While it may not be the most portable or affordable option, its strengths in design, display quality, and performance make it a compelling value proposition. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description. As always, thanks for watching.